Hello, this video I'm making, it's in regards to a Facebook post, and it's directed towards James W. Pope. Mr. Pope, don't take this personal. I'm just seizing this opportunity. But you made a comment simply saying states cannot mint its currency. States cannot do that. Well, there's a misconception on how we are to be governed. It's been passed down from generation to generation for quite some time now, for over 100 years, through the government school system, has really helped escalated it. So what I'm going to do is just walk you through my position where I feel that you're in error, sir, and everybody else that's out there, they're in error too. So we'll go to Google here, as you can see, and I have the U.S. Constitution typed in. So we'll click on that. And we will go to the U.S. Constitution hypertext here. I know right where I'm going to prove my position where you're in error, and that is Article 1, Section 10. And here is Article 1, Section 10. And it's the powers prohibited of states. Now it says, no state shall enter into any treaty, alliance, or confederation, grant letters of marque, and reprisal coin money. Okay, now, just because it says coin money there, just keep on reading, sir. Emit bills of credit, which means, fiat currency. Okay? Now, coin money could be any kind of metal. Okay? Period. It could be aluminum. Okay? And bills of credit, fiat currency, what we have today at the federal level, make anything but, hello, we got a shift here, I believe, make anything but gold and silver coin a tender in payment of debts. Okay. Pass any bill of attainder post facto law or law impairing the obligation of contracts, or grant any title of nobility. So Lord knows, we know we got a lot of people out there think that they do have that title too. That's funny. And yes, states and the government cannot come between private contractual agreements. Hello, folks. You don't have to be state certified contractor. Two private sectors have a private contract. They cannot pass a law impairing that contract right there. Now let's go back. It's listen here. No state shall enter into do any of this, right? Correct? Coin money, emit bills of credit, make anything but gold and silver coin a tender in payment of debts. Okay, right there. That's my case right there. So that's where you're in error. That is the U.S. Constitution, which is the federal Constitution, sir. Okay? Now, the states actually existed before the federal government. The states created the federal government. Each state is, in fact, a nation of its own. If you do your due diligence, I'm doing a report that I've had for quite some time, and I've, in my own end, have not read it, and it's opened my eyes a lot, and it's called Cooperative Federalism, How the States of the Union Are Separate, Distant, and Foreign to the United States. You could go to my profile, you could click on my notes, and you can see I'm starting putting some of that information there as we speak. So there's plenty there too for me to do. So I'm going to go back here now. Now that is also the U.S. Constitution, sir, that I'm going to show you. Now I know we have over 50 states. I'm in Florida. So let's just go to my state constitution. They all do pretty much, they're pretty much uniform on what they say. So let's go right to basically Article 1. Okay. Declaration of Rights, Section 10. Okay, Article 1, Section 10. In my Florida State Constitution says no bill of attainder. So see right there. the state cannot have no bill of attainder, no ex post facto law, no legal tender. It can have lawful money, or law impairing the obligation of contract shall be passed. Once again, the state cannot come between private contractual agreements. Now that's a different topic. I'm getting off of that, and also the nobility thing there. But once again, each state, my position, is allowed to mint its own currency coin as long it's gold or silver, and they have that permission, and they had that for a reason too, because it keeps and stores a value. The founding fathers understood this. Unlike our society today, they believe a piece of plastic is wealth. They think credit is wealth. Well, I'm here to tell you, when any state of our nation, as much as Arizona has done, they have really picked it up a lot. There's been other 36 other states that's been going against this Obamacare, okay? But Arizona is being really aggressive. Florida's doing all right, but you know what? All they got to do is one more move, and they start, minting their own gold and silver coins, having an alternative currency in their rightful jurisdiction. Do you know how much their economy is going to flourish? Okay, well, I thought I'd just share this information with you. Hopefully you receive it. And Mr. Pope, I'm not trying to pick on you. I'm just trying to point out some facts of the Constitution. And actually, you could go to my notes and please click on that cooperative federalism, and restart reading that and understanding the historical events that happened and how they lead up to what we are today and why we are so messed up, because we are not operating as a union. We are a union of many nations. Each state is a nation of its own, in alliance with supposed to be a limited federal government, not a national government, but federal government. Once you understand all this concept, and you can understand why things are so out of proportion in our society. So take heed of this and study, and you understand. And these are the solutions. God bless everybody.